We'll guide you through how to play Please Donate in Roblox Mobile. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Please Donate is a really great game, as you can go and donate Robux and also go and receive Robux donations as well. So we'll guide you through how you can go and play this and go and get started. So if you want to go and donate to somebody else, what you need to do is go and run up to a stand. Then you're going to go and see the different amounts at the top here. You can choose the amount you want to donate, go and tap on it, then it'll go and open up. You can see this is 5 Robux here. I don't actually have enough Robux here, so I'd need to go and buy some. But if you did, you could then go and buy the game pass and you'll go and give the Robux and donate it. It's that simple. Now, if you want to go and get started with your own, what you need to do is you need to come up to a stand and it needs to be unclaimed. As you can see, it says at the bottom. So run up to it and then you can go and tap and hold to go and claim it like so, and that's it. So I'll guide you through how you can go make your stand here, tap and hold it to go and edit it, scroll to the top. So at the top here, you can go and press edit to write a booth and go and choose the design. There are lots of different to go and choose from. You need to unlock more though. For now, I'll just use the default one. Then we can go and press the cross. Next, you can edit what the text says at the top. Mine just says donate. I could tap here though, and I could go and change it to GuideRealm, for example, like so. Then I'll press the cross and it'll go and be updated, as you can see. Then you can go and choose the font, tap there, and that will go and change how the text goes and looks. You can also go and change the color by tapping there. You can change the stroke color. The stroke color is the outline of the text, and you can go and choose the opacity of that. So you can go and increase it if you want. I have. And you can go and have rich text switch on or off. That goes and essentially allows for custom use of the text, and you can go and use that by typing in the text. That's it. So now you're wondering how can you go and get the donation buttons, how you can have multiple, and how you can set the amounts. We'll go and get into that now. So to go and set this, you do need to come out of the game. So press the Roblox icon in the top left and you can go and press leave and come back to the app. Now you want to go to the bottom right and you can press more and you can go and scroll down and find the option for create. Now what you need to do is you need to go and press the 3 lines in the top left of the create page and go down and press creations. Here you need to press experiences and then my experiences. Now by default, everybody's going to have a place here and an experience. So what you need to do is go and tap on it. You may need to go and double tap for some reason, sometimes for it to work. Then after you've done that, you need to go to the top left and you can go and press on the 3 lines and scroll down into monetization. And in here, you need to go and find passes and you can go and tap there. And then what you can do is you can go and press create a pass like so. So now what we need to do here is we're going to go and create a pass and then we're going to go and put it on sale. And when you go and have an item for sale, that will go and act as a donation button as people can then go and buy the game pass and donate to you. So what you can do here is optionally go and add an image. I won't. Then we can go and set a name. People can go and see what this is called. So you can make it something interesting. I'll just name it the cool pass. Add a description if you wish. And then at the bottom, you need to go down and you can press create pass like so. And as you can see, it says pass successfully created. Now you can go and find it in this list here. As you can see, mine is just in the middle here. So now we need to go and put it on sale and then it will go and start appearing in Please Donate. We can go and choose the amount as well. So go and tap on it. You may need to double tap. Then you can go and press the 3 lines in the top left and you can press sales. You can go and switch on item for sale and you can go and set the price. And the price will then go and be the amount that it shows up on the stand as. So I could go and set this to 200, for example. Now there is a tax on Roblox as well, so just remember that. So you will keep 70%. So if I sold this, I'd keep 140 Robux. So do consider that. Then we can go and press save changes at the bottom and it's now updated. So it's for sale and it will appear on our stand. Now you can go back and you can actually go and create more passes and then you can go and get more donation buttons. Of course, go and put them on sale. So now what we can do is go and close off this and we can come and return to Please Donate. So I've just gone and joined and let's come to an unclaimed stand. And then what I'll do is I'll go and tap and hold here. And as you can see, I've now added that 200 Robux donation button so people can go and start donating. It's that simple. So that's it. That's how you can go and play Please Donate. You can then wait here and hopefully you'll go and get a donation if we're lucky. And of course, you can go and donate to other people as well. So if you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future.